Good morning, students. Welcome to this video segment. Here we shall solve another example of the applications of linear equations. Joe is going to Bahamas. The cost for two different vacation packages. You have package J and package K. For package J, the airfare cost is $100, and then the cost per meal is $50. Now, cost per meal means per. When you talk about per meal, that means for one meal is $50. That means for breakfast is $50, lunch $50, dinner $50 per meal. That's package J. And then for package K, the airfare cost is $200, and the cost per meal is $40. Okay? A, what is the total cost for package J? So let's say that the total cost, we just say let the total cost, you can say TC. TC meaning total cost, right? So, and let the cost per meal be small m. Let's say it's small m, right? And let the airfare cost, be let's say A. Now the airfare cost is fixed. It's not varies. It's not variable. You only go to the airfare cost. It's fixed, right? But the cost per meal, it varies. It's something that every meal, depending on how many meals you eat. If you eat 2 meals, then it's going to cost $100. If you eat 3 meals, it will cost $150. So this varies actually. So actually A is fixed, which is $100. So for A, we now find for package J, the total cost will be $100 plus 50M. It's just like when you go to the store and they say, you see a pencil, let's say they sell pencil $2 per one. So that means if you buy a pencil, you pay $2. If you buy 2 pencils, you pay $4. If you buy 3 pencils, you pay $6 and the rest of them. So this is per meal. That's why it's variable. This is fixed already. Now if they said airfare cost per travel, maybe if he travels to this would be how much he pays. If he travels to this is how much he pays, then it's going to vary. But they didn't say anything per travel or something, I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying. Per meal means he might eat more than 3 meals in a day. He might eat up to 4 meals or 5 meals in a day. So it's a variable cost, a variable quantity. But this is a fixed quantity. Okay? So that is why we now have it like this. That is for package J. Then for package K, we see that the total cost will be what now? $200 plus 40M. Alright? So we've answered B. Then C, it says write a system of 2 equations for the 2 packages. So for C, we just write the system of linear equations for them. TC is 100 plus 50M, and TC 200 plus 40M. We can call this equation 1 and equation 2. Or equation J package, and this is K package. Whichever way you choose to do that, that's fine. Then D, how many meals would Joe have to eat in order to pay the same amount for either package? How many meals? So they're asking us now how many meals will he have to eat if he has to pay the same amount for either package? So what do you think we need to do? We need to equate. We now have to equate equation 1 to equation 2. in order to find m, how many meals he needs to eat. So we just say 100 plus 50m equal to 200 plus 40m, right? So we go ahead and solve this. Let me write it here again. 100 plus 50m equal to 200 plus 40m. So this comes over here, this moves over there. So 50m minus 40m equal to 200 minus 100. This is the way I usually solve linear equations. But after doing this, I will do the way that some teachers use, the method that some teachers use, okay? If you don't understand this, that's fine, but this is the easiest way to do it. Now this is now 10m equal to 100. And then you divide both sides by 10. So your m will be 10 meals. 10 meals. So if he eats 10 meals, that means whichever package he goes with will be the same. If he eats 10 meals, that means package J, if he eats 10 meals, that means package J, the total cost will be 100 plus 50 times 10, which is now 100 plus 500, and that will be $600. $600 for package J. Then for package K, the total cost will be 200 plus 40m, and that will be 200 plus 40 times 10, which is 200 plus 400, which is 600. So once he eats 10 meals at least, well, once he eats 10 meals exactly, not at least, once he eats 10 meals, exactly 10 meals, then the package cost, the total cost for package J will be equal to the total cost for package K. And that's the answer, 10 meals. Now, if you don't understand the way I did this, then you may understand this way. You may understand it this way. Some teachers use this way, and it is still correct. 100 plus 50m equal to 200 plus 40m. So they'll probably come here and subtract 100 from here, 100 from here, and you now have 50m equal to 100 plus 40m. Then you now subtract 40m from here, 40m from here. You now have 10m equal to 100. Then you now divide by 10. So I'm not trying to confuse you, but if you want to use it this way, that's fine. Okay? Thank you for listening, and you have a great day.